Hi, I'm Coast and this is Lessons from the Coast, and today I'm going to be showing you a lesson on how to grill pizza. So I'll put the link in the description for how to make homemade pizza dough and how to make pizza sauce and how to start a grill for if you need to learn any of that. Okay, so now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to flour your hands and your rolling pin to make sure that nothing sticks, and you're going to cut your dough into about that big, very more, I don't know the exact amount to get it, but I'm trying to get my pieces about that big since I'm doing personal pans. Something that you will want to make sure that you do is that even in between while you're rolling your pizza dough, you'll want to still make sure to flour your rolling pin again. Okay, so I just now have finished rolling out all of the pizza dough. I put it in the freezer just to get it colder faster. Don't let it get frozen, but if you let it get refrigerated, then it's gonna help it not be as sticky. But now we're gonna, I'm gonna see if the grill is ready, and if it is, then we'll start on that. Okay, so now the grill is ready, and I've gotten the pizza dough out of the freezer to go off, and now I'm just gonna flip it, and you're gonna want to keep that on there, and make sure that that doesn't burn. It cooks really fast, and once that is done, you're just gonna flip it and do it on the other side. So once you have finished grilling the pizza dough, you're gonna want to put the toppings on there. Right now I'm just mainly doing sauce and cheese and pepperoni. But for the smaller ones, you can just choose your own toppings for it. So now that you've gotten your toppings on your pizza, you're just gonna want to get it and put it on the indirect heat side, and then leave it on there to help the cheese melt.